Hi there, smart traders. In this episode, we're diving into the highlights and key events shaping the market landscape this week. So grab your cup of coffee and let's get started. This holiday shortened week is packed with market movement events. Two key highlights, though, are the non-farm payrolls report and Wednesday's release of the Federal Reserve's June meeting minutes. As we enter into the second half of the year, the stock markets are enjoying a tailwind following strong gains in the first 6 months of this year. Traders are also eagerly awaiting Friday's non-farm payroll report, which will shed some light on the state of the US employment situation. Economists are anticipating the addition of 200,000 jobs in June, building on that surprise that we got in May of 339,000 jobs. However, the uptick in unemployment rate that we saw, which took us to a 7-month high of 3.7%, suggests a potential easing of the labor market conditions. The strength in the labor market has also been a significant factor in boosting market sentiment and supporting the view that the US economy can navigate through all these potential challenges without a severe recession. According to the CEO and CIO of Schwab Asset Management, the labor market could be the key catalyst driving both markets and the future monetary policy decisions. But before we get to that highly anticipated job report on Friday, we will get updates from other labor market indicators throughout the week. So also keep your eye out for data on the private sector hiring, which is our ADP report. We also will see the job openings and the weekly unemployment claims report, which will also be released, all shedding light on that labor market. Now let's also turn our attention to that Federal Reserve meeting minutes. So on Wednesday, the Fed will release the meeting minutes of its June 13-14 meeting, during which it held rates steady after a series of rate hikes. We've discussed this in the past. We even traded this event live. However, the Fed indicated that 2 more increases are likely this year, which one is expected now in July. Recent data on inflation suggests of cooling trend, however, raising hopes that the Fed may be approaching the end of that rate hike cycle. The minutes will provide traders with valuable insight into the ongoing debate within the Fed about the balance between being cautious and being too aggressive in policy tightening, as emphasized by Federal Chair Jerome Powell. In recent comments, Powell reiterated that a strong majority of Fed policymakers anticipate at least 2 more interest rate hikes by the end of this year. So traders, that's a wrap for this week. Be sure to stay tuned for that non-farm payroll report, which we will also be trading live with all our premium members. All you need to do is go to vt.smartonlinetrader.com to RSVP and secure your spot. So as always, remember to stay informed, stay vigilant, and make smart trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and as always, may the force be with you. Cheers.